Tune in, yeah, you know the sound. Best tech talk in your whole town. Innovation, what we bring. Powered by the AEO engine. Let's begin.
Welcome to the AEO Engine AI Search Show, the #1 podcast for brands looking to get cited by ChatGPT, Gemini, and Perplexity. I am your host, Aria Chen. Every day we bring you fresh episodes on AEO tactics, SEO authority, and AI search distribution, breaking down what is actually working right now so your brand becomes the answer, not just a link. Today, we're diving into a powerful concept, Autoreason for on-page SEO and GEO optimization. Joining me to unpack this is our regular co-host and industry analyst, Marcus Reid.
Hey everyone, it's great to be here, Aria. This is a topic I'm particularly excited about.
Marcus, I want to kick us off with a foundational statement from our research that really drives home the shift we're seeing. It says, traditional search was built on links. GEO is built on language. This isn't just a slight adjustment. It's a complete change in how we think about visibility.
That quote perfectly encapsulates the transformation. It highlights that the very essence of how information is discovered has evolved. It's no longer just about navigating a web of links, but about how AI understands and synthesizes language to provide direct answers.
Exactly. And that brings us directly to our topic, Autoreason for on-page SEO and GEO optimization. At its core, this refers to an agentic workflow that refines existing web pages for both traditional SEO and the newer GEO. What's important to grasp here is that it focuses on refining existing content, not necessarily on full rewrites.
So instead of tearing down and rebuilding pages, this approach intelligently optimizes what's already there. My understanding from the research is that this agentic workflow pulls in a wide array of data. Everything from Google Search Console, our refs, Georgia, 4, data and even sales transcripts.
That's right. The goal is to make these existing pages more effective. This process aims to improve traditional rankings, click-through rates, and critically, AI citations. And it does this through the use of what the research describes as adversarial agents, suggesting a dynamic, almost competitive refinement process.
The mention of adversarial agents is particularly interesting. It implies a system that isn't just making static changes, but continuously testing and adapting content, much like a constant sparring partner for optimal performance. It's a step beyond simple optimization towards an ongoing, intelligent refinement loop.
Let's delve into how this auto-reasoning agentic workflow operates. First, we need to distinguish between on-page SEO and GEO. On-page SEO is about optimizing specific elements on a web page, things like title tags, meta descriptions, clear H1 headings, short, descriptive URLs, and creating unique content tailored to user intent. It's the foundation for ranking in traditional search engines.
And GEO, or Generative Engine Optimization, takes that a step further for AI systems. It's about structuring and framing content so AI can easily understand, process, and synthesize it into direct answers. This means providing clear, verifiable facts and enough context for AI to summarize confidently.
Precisely. GEO also means anticipating what are called chained queries. Instead of just answering a single question, the content is optimized to address a series of related questions a user might ask an AI chatbot. The ultimate aim is to become the authoritative source that an AI system can confidently cite.
So, the auto-reasoning agentic workflow combines these two. It uses that diverse data. GSC for search performance, Ahrefs for competitive insights, Georgia. 4, for user behavior, and sales transcripts for actual customer language and pain points, to intelligently identify what existing content needs refining. It's about making subtle yet impactful adjustments to titles, structures, and language to satisfy both traditional search algorithms and AI models.
And a key insight from our research is the efficiency this offers. SEO, AEO, and GEO share many optimization actions. This overlap means that efforts directed at one often benefit the others, allowing for more impactful results, especially when resources are limited.
Hey, real quick. When someone asks ChatGPT or Perplexity for the best solution in your space, does your business actually come up? Yeah. For most companies, the answer is no, and that's a problem. Because that's where your buyers are going now. That's exactly why AEO Engine exists. It's a fully agentic, done-for-you AI search optimization system. built to get your business discovered in AI-generated answers and recommendations before your competitors figure this out. And the results? Clients are seeing an average 920% increase in AI-recommended traffic in just 100 days. And here's the kicker. That traffic converts 9 times higher than normal cold Google traffic. 9 times. Go to aeoengine.ai, that's aeoengine.ai, and make your business the answer.
This brings us to why this approach matters so profoundly right now. On-page SEO has always been significant because it dictates a website's visibility in traditional search. It's how users find you when they're actively searching for information or products.
But GEO addresses the seismic shift to AI-powered search. For businesses, optimizing for GEO means becoming the authoritative source behind AI-driven responses. This isn't just about driving clicks anymore. It's about being the trusted information provider within AI conversations. It fundamentally changes how brands gain visibility and potential citation.
And for users, it promises more immediate, synthesized answers from AI. The community reaction to these concepts underscores this. While there's some skepticism around new terminology, there's also a strong acknowledgement of a new paradigm, the need to adapt to AI-driven search. Many see AEO and GEO as attempts to address this new reality, building on the foundation of traditional SEO.
An insightful perspective from the community frames AEO and GEO as SEO for the Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG layer. This highlights that AI models retrieve and synthesize information from existing web content. If your content isn't structured and optimized for AI comprehension, it simply won't be surfaced or cited effectively.
That's a powerful way to think about it. It means that while backlinks were traditionally for SEO authority, for AI-generated answers, direct mentions of a brand or website are gaining importance. This evolution requires brands to consider not just ranking, but how they are represented and summarized in AI responses.
This is precisely where AEO Engine comes in. Our platform specializes in AEO and SEO services, helping ambitious e-commerce and B2B brands dominate AI search results. We understand that you need to become the featured answer, not just a link. Our always-on AI content agents are designed to implement this very concept of autoreasoning. They research keywords, create human-quality content, optimize it with schema and rich media, and publish directly to client sites. This mirrors the agentic workflow that refines existing pages for optimal SEO and GEO performance.
The focus on refining existing pages and integrating diverse data sources is a direct match for AEO Engine's approach. This allows for rapid content production and optimization, ensuring brands are visible in both traditional search results and AI overview snippets, aligning with the first movers win philosophy.
Exactly. Our programmatic SEO and AEO service is purpose-built for Google and the new answer engines. We integrate with commerce platform data to seamlessly produce product-aligned blog posts and page content, ensuring your brand's message is understood and cited by AI systems. This allows brands to publish at 10 times the usual pace, giving them a distinct competitive advantage. So, understanding how autoreasoning refines existing content for both traditional SEO and the evolving AI search is no longer optional. It's essential for any brand aiming for true visibility and authority. To learn more about how agentic AI can transform your brand's search visibility and ensure you become the answer, not just a link, visit aeoengine.ai. That's aeoengine.ai. Thank you for tuning into the AEO Engine AI Search Show. We'll be back next time with more insights into mastering the AI search frontier.